How to fix Soundflower from Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script to uninstall Soundflower on a Mac. #bin/bash #unload Soundflower kernel extension if it's loaded if kextstat grep qcom cycling 74.driver.soundflower, then echo unloading Soundflower kernel extension sudo kextunload bcom cycling 74.driver.soundflower. By #remove Soundflower files echo removing Soundflower sudo rmrf/application/Soundflower sudo rmrf/library/extension/Soundflower.kext sudo rmrf/library/startupItems/Soundflower echo Soundflower has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. It checks if the Soundflower kernel extension is currently loaded and unloads it if it is. It removes the Soundflower application from the applications folder. It removes the Soundflower kernel extension from the system's extensions folder. It removes the Soundflower startup items. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_soundflower.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_soundflower.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_soundflower.sh. Note that you will need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove Soundflower. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.